Welcome to Taking Away. Today we'll learn subtraction by sharing with our friend Moon. I'm planning a special surprise for everyone. Shh, it's a secret. I need to collect yummy treats from my friends. Let's see who Moon visits first. Sun has 5 yummy apples. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi, Sun. I'm planning something special. Can I have some apples? Of course, Moon. Here you go. 1 for Moon, 2 for Moon. Thank you, Sun. These are perfect for my surprise. Let's count what's left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Now let's check on the number line. Sun started with 5. Let's see on the number line. Let's count to 5 on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at 5. Sun shared 2 apples, so we hop back 2. 1, 2. We land on 3, same answer. See, forward means counting up, backward means taking away. Sharing means hopping back. Where is Moon going next? Let's follow. Bunny grew 8 carrots in the garden. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi, Bunny. I'm collecting treats for a big surprise. Can I have some carrots? Sure, Moon. Take some. 1, 2, 3 carrots for Moon. Thank you, Bunny. My collection is growing. How many does Bunny have left? Let's ask Sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll show you on the number line. Watch me hop forward to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're at 8. Now hop back 3. 1, 2, 3. 8 take away 3 equals 5. Moon is off to visit another friend. Bear has 10 jars of honey. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, Bear. I need honey for my special surprise. Can I have some? Of course, here's some honey. 1, 2, 3, 4 jars for Moon. Thank you, Bear. This will be so sweet. How many jars are left? Sun, can you help? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me show you. I'll hop forward to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're at 10. Now hop back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 take away 4 equals 6. Who will Moon visit now? Let's see. Bird collected 7 berries. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hi, Bird. I need decorations for my surprise. Can I have some berries? Here, take some, Moon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Moon. These will be so beautiful. Thank you, Bird. How many berries does Bird have? Let's see. 1, 2. Watch me hop. Let me hop to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're at 7. Now hop back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 take away 5 equals 2. Almost done. One more friend to visit. Cat caught 9 fish today. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hi, Cat. I'm almost ready. Can I have some fish for my surprise? Sure, take some fish, Moon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish for Moon. Perfect, now I have everything I need. How many fish are left? Sun, show us. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Hopping forward to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're at 9. Now hop back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 take away 6 equals 3. Moon has everything. What's the surprise? Everyone come quick, my surprise is ready. Surprise! It's a thank you party for all my wonderful friends. You all shared with me, so I made a party for you. Wow, Moon, this is amazing. Hooray, thank you, Moon. And look, we learned subtraction together. Sharing means taking away and making friends happy. Let's remember what we learned. Great job, see you next time.